In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page on your Wix website, a straightforward process that enhances your site's navigational structure and enriches the user experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigating to the Wix website editor is where it all begins. There, you manage all aspects of your site, from design to adding new features. You'll want to log into your Wix account and select the website you wish to modify. Once you've clicked into the website's editor, you'll be greeted by a suite of customizable options on your left-hand side. These options are your toolbox. They'll help you design and create a professional-looking site. Now, locate the button labeled Pages and Menu on the left-hand panel. Clicking this will display a drop-down list of your current site pages. This menu is a roadmap of your site's architecture showing all the pages, including your home page, contact page, and more. Next, you are ready to add a new page. In this same panel, look for the Add Page button, which is typically accompanied by a plus symbol. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for your new page to join the ranks of existing ones on your website. It's the gateway to expanding your website's content. After clicking Add Page, you'll be prompted to choose the type of page you want to add. For this tutorial, let's focus on selecting a blank page. Clicking Blank Page gives you a clean slate to start building your unique content, unfettered by pre-existing designs that might not fit your vision. With your new blank page created, it's now time to give it a name. Naming your page is critical because it defines the page's presence across your site's navigation and can also impact SEO. Click where it prompts you to enter the page name and type something descriptive yet concise. It should reflect the content you plan to add, giving visitors a clear idea of what they'll find there. Lastly, once you've entered a suitable name, look for the Done button, usually located towards the bottom area of the interface. Clicking Done not only saves your new page, but integrates it into your website's existing navigation menu. You'll see it appear alongside your other pages, making it publicly accessible for users when the site goes live. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new page to your Wix website. This new page can now be customized with text, images, or any widgets you deem necessary. Adding new pages regularly can help keep your content fresh and engaging. Be sure to explore Wix's many design features to fully realize your page's potential. Thank you for watching and happy building.